how to create a style guide like a pro. The first step in creating a style guide is to define your brand's visual identity. This includes elements like your brand's color palette, typography, logo, and other visual assets. It's important to consider how these elements will work together to create a cohesive and recognizable brand identity. Step 2. Define your design principles. Once you've defined your brand's visual identity, the next step is to establish your design principles. This includes things like your brand's tone of voice, design style, and the user experience you want to create. Step 3. Define your design components. Now that you have your brand's visual identity and design principles in place, it's time to define your design components. This includes things like buttons, forms, icons, and other UI elements. You'll need to establish guidelines for how these elements should be designed and used, including things like spacing, sizing, and color. Step 4. Document your style guide. Once you've defined your brand's visual identity, design principles, and design components, it's time to document your style guide. Step 5. Share and iterate. Finally, it's important to share your style guide with your team and iterate as needed. Your style guide should be a living document that is updated regularly to reflect changes in your brand, design principles, or design components. Congratulations, you're now a pro in creating a style guide. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you had a great learning experience. Consider subscribing. Have a great time.